There is only one chef in Bermuda who has won the highest and most prestigious award for chefs in France. Following this, his great ambition was to open the finest French restaurant on the island. And after searching for many years, he found the perfect location right here.
Welcome to my restaurant, Beau Rivage. We start with only the finest, freshest ingredients. Each day we handpick only the best fresh fish and in season Bermuda lobster, caught right here in our local waters by the island's most experienced fishermen. And we personally choose the most colorful, luxurious vegetables and fruit from Bermuda's farmers market. Each day we make our own delicious pasta, soups, and the many other items on the diverse menu. What is impossible for us to prepare in our own kitchen, we receive it from the island top supplier. Everyone is welcome in my kitchen. There are no secrets here. You can even book our one-of-a-kind chef's table and watch the chefs preparing your meal right in front of your eyes. There is also a choice of indoor or al fresco dining. But it doesn't matter. Wherever you sit at Beau Rivage, all the views are breathtaking. Come and visit us at Beau Rivage and let me prepare a meal just for you.
Beau Rivage is located at the Newstead Resort on Harbor Road and is open for lunch and dinner 7 days a week with a sensational brunch every Sunday. Reservations are advised.